Hi everyone. It's been a while since I've been posting. I've had COVID, and I just want to apologize for my voice right now. It's pretty hoarse. It's been a couple of weeks, so I'm better, but I still have a cough, so and a really rough voice. So I'll try to get through this without talking too much. Today I'm going to be doing a bloom. I received a new world's smallest blower from Tracie Designs Art from her Etsy shop. It comes with all these attachments. I'm going to try and use this today. Yeah, it's a USB. It plugs in by USB port. This is how it plugs in. And this is the attachment that it comes with, the blower comes with. And you just remove it and add one of the ones that you want to use on here. They just fit on, and then you turn them to tighten them up. Also, I received some of these, they're called drizzle spoons. I'm going to be using these today. You can get all these things on her Etsy shop. It's called Tracie Designs Art, and I will put a link to her shop in my description. I also have these stir sticks that I got a while ago. There's a few of them, different sizes. That you get when you order them. Whoops. I'm using this one here. I thinned down my pillow paint a little bit because it was too thick when I tried to use the blower. My paints were pretty thick too, so I thinned everything down, and hopefully they'll work today. So, I'm going to begin. I also want to mention that she sells a lot of other things on her Etsy shop, like the split cups, swipe tools. These are some of the swipe tools that I've used before. They have a rounded edge. And some other things she sells, also her artwork, so I will put that link in the description. Okay, I'm going to be using a small tile today that I can use for a coaster. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start off with a brilliant magenta. It still seems thick. And this is TLP Twinkle. Then I have Payne's Gray. The paints still seem awfully thick, so it's possible this this might not work. I'll try it though. Then I've got Red Violet. Oh, I was going to put some Twinkle in between. That's okay. Okay, I'll just leave it as is. I got a black and a white cell activator that I'm going to be using today. And they're awfully thin. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Alright, I'm going to not use the attachment. My paints are still too thick. I'll use the attachments when I have thinner paint. I thought I thinned them down enough, but getting lots of nice cells though, nice peacock cells. Okay. Not fussy on this part right here. I wish I could fix that. But maybe I can done. There's really nice cells around it though, so I'm gonna just go like this, just to get rid of it. There, it looks a little better. All right, so I'm gonna spin now. I think it's pretty. I like this part over here, so what I'm going to do, it's all nice. All right, love ya. I'm just moving it over a little bit so that I don't lose a lot of this here. Maybe more of this will go off and this will stay. Pretty. Just checking to see if it's going to move. If it doesn't move, if I tilt it, then it's, enough paint has come off the coaster. It's not moving. It's pretty good. Okay, I think I'm going to do another one. I like it. Okay, I'm just going to show you a close-up. Really nice colors. I really like the colors together. And that piece in the middle, it's right there somewhere. It's totally, I don't even notice it now. So anyway. Okay.